The book of Revelation describes a chilling series of disasters. They believe pandemics will...
signs that Jesus and the Hebrew prophets and the New Testament apostles...
God deals with nations who reach what I call flashpoints. When they reach these certain points of violence, for example, when the nation became violent, God said, I'll destroy it. Every time Jerusalem, Israel, Babylon became violent, God destroyed it. The prophet Nahum, for example, came to Nineveh. No, Jonah preached and Nineveh repented. 150-year reprieve was given to Nineveh. And along comes the prophet Nahum, and he said, now God's going to destroy you. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons. He said, you've become an alcoholic society. You become drunken. He said, your men have become as women. Your leaders have become as grasshoppers. Now, how can God destroy Nineveh for these 5 sins and allow us to commit the 5 same sins rampantly and get away with it? There's no possibility of that.
This is San Francisco. We have lost our New York signal. Radar sources confirm the explosion of nuclear devices there in New York and up and down the East Coast. Ladies and gentlemen, this is real. This is...
We interrupt this program at the request of the White House. This is a national emergency. This is an emergency action notification. I repeat, we interrupt this program at the request of the White House. Do not use your telephone. Telephone lines should be kept open for official use. Important instructions will follow. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the United States.
Hello?
Mom! Mom!
Get away from that window!
Mommy!
You're wrong. Get down. Get down.
Dad? San Francisco? I'm scared.
No, no. Put your heads down. Cover your eyes. Oh, my God.
Cal!
There's Phil and Kathy.
Say! What happened?
I don't know. No one does yet.
I just got home.
We just got back. We're so lucky. Thank God we're all here.
Kenny!
Have you seen Kenny? No.
Where's Tom?
He'll be here any minute.
Blessed is he that readeth, and they that hear the words of this prophecy, and keep those things which are written therein. For the time is at hand. And every eye shall see him, and they also which pierced him, and all kindreds of the earth shall wail because of him. Even so, Amen. I am Alpha and Omega, the beginning and the end, saith the Lord, which is, and which was, and which is to come, the Almighty.